As Igad member states, we're united by a shared digital transformation journey, one that is rapidly changing how our governments deliver services, how our businesses operate, and how our citizens interact. But we're also bound by shared risks. The cyber threats facing our region are increasingly transitional, sophisticated, and borderless. Cybercrime, misinformation, data breaches, and the potential weaponization of AI tools pose a serious threat to peace, economic stability, and democratic institutions. These are not challenges any one nation can solve alone. They require a coordinated, well-governed, and regionally integrated response. In Kenya, under the leadership of His Excellency President William Ruto, we have placed digital transformation at the heart of our national development agenda. Our National Digital Master Plan 2022-2032 sets a bold vision of a digitally empowered nation. Through our Digital Superhighway program, we are laying 100,000 kilometers of fiber optic cable to connect every school, health center, and the communities, ensuring no Kenyan is left behind.
Norway is particularly pleased to support IGAD's security sector program, including through the financing of this very seminar. The seminar comes at a critical time. As digital transformation accelerates, countries across this region are actively adopting and deploying AI and digital technologies to enhance governance, improve public services, and strengthen security. But these technologies also bring with them a rapidly evolving set of risks, from cyber attacks on critical infrastructure to AI-enabled surveillance misuse, disinformation, and transnational cybercrime. And this is something we not only see in this region, we see it everywhere. Just last week we had an attack on our hydropower station where the sluices were opened from someone to 100%. So that tells you how vulnerable we are.
AI is the new divide between the literate and illiterate humanity. Join us as we together imagine AI systems that help our law enforcement predict crime patterns, promotes, optimize resource development, and detect threats before time. Picture with me as AI-powered platforms improve broader border management and create safer, more connected communities. Technology is already transforming security across our region. For example, in Ethiopia, law enforcement agencies are implementing predictive policing algorithms to combat urban crime. Here in Kenya, AI-driven surveillance systems have reduced police response times by 40% and improved crime detection by 30%.